Hey there, today we're going to discuss string output in C, so let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see I have this file created ahead of time, ex52 underscore string output.c, and I have also added the statements earlier. So string output is handled with the fputs function and the putf function and the printf function. The putfs or fputs function requires the name of the string and a pointer to where you want to print the string. And to print to the string, we need to use the std out, which refers to the standard output. And to better understand this, I will show it to you. So I have this added this string character, and then a prompt to the user, and then let's get the value by using the getS function. So let me put city in here. So as you can see, I have in this example I have used the putf on this line, on line 8. I have used the fputs function that requires the name of the string, which is the city, and a pointer to where you want to print the string. So to print to the screen, I have used the std out. It should be std out with a t in here, std out, which refers to the standard output. So let's go ahead and run this and compile and run, and as you can see, it's asking for an information. Let's put Tokyo, and Tokyo is a fun city. So next we can also use the putS function. Let me just comment this out and change this to putS or puts function. Just like that. So let's go ahead and run this, compile and run again. So enter a city this time. Let's try Osaka. And notice that it puts a new line at the end. So the putS function takes only a string argument and can also be used to display output. However, it adds a new line to the output. So if you notice, it adds a new line in here. So that's why it's Osaka, and the new line is a fun city. So that's how to use the putS function. And my recommendation is that for safety use, or for the best practice, you should be using the fgets function, which we already discussed in my previous video. So fgets function, which looks something like this. So I highly encourage that you use this type of coding, since this is the best option if you don't want to encounter any errors, especially buffer overflows. So that's it. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you in this tab. So I want you to fill in the blanks to declare a string and output it using the fputs function. And as you can see, there's a lot of missing piece of information in here that needs to be filled in, and if you know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.